welcome back to the channel. So today I'm installing a dash cam from Mangoal on my XC60, and before we install it I'll just go ahead and unbox it to show you what's inside. Alright, so inside the box we do have some instructions for the dashcam itself and also the app it uses. We have a user manual, a harness and a SD card, rear camera and the front dashcam. And for this video we will only be installing the front one and not the rear one. The rear one I will be doing another video on that, so let's go ahead with the install. So this is what we will be using for the front camera: the actual camera itself, the SD card, harness and the pry tool, and this is where the dash cam will sit. So we do need to get this piece out. And now we want to remove this connector. And connect the Y cable that's included in the kit. And connect the dash cam power plug. And that's the sound that is active. Alright then, so the dash cam is now installed to the car, and this is how it looks. This is my usual driving position, and it is barely visible from here. And it sits neatly inside of the car. It looks really nice, like if the car came out like this from factory. So we still do have the SD card that we need to install. So we'll go ahead and put that in and check out the features of the camera.
Start recording.
And we do have some nice instructions on how to get the camera going. And now that the dashcam is installed, let's connect it through the app. First, I'll need to download the Skycam application from the App Store. So I now open up the app, and first I need to accept the user agreements to continue. Then it asks me to add a camera. The app will remind me to install the dashcam and to power it on. Next, I connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi by going into my phone's Wi-Fi settings and enter the password. So now the phone is connected to the camera's Wi-Fi and we are ready to link it in the app. Now that the phone is connected to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, I open up the app again and it automatically detects the camera and connects successfully. And just like that, I can see the live footage streaming directly from the dashcam. And now from here, I can open up the camera files to view everything the dashcam has recorded. Each clip will be saved with a timestamp, and I can scroll through the list to check the recent footage or play back any recording directly in the app. After checking through the saved recordings, I head back to the home screen. From here, I can tap on the live footage to open it in full screen. The connection loads quickly and now I can see a smooth real-time view straight from the dashcam. It's great for checking the camera's angle and to make sure everything is recording properly. Now let's dive into the camera settings. And from here I can toggle the screen recording on or off. I can adjust the speaker volume and I can change both the screen resolution and the video resolution. Loop recording is currently set to 1 minute, but you can adjust it to your preference. You can also fine-tune the exposure, toggle the timestamp on or off, and switch WDR to on or off for better lighting. And under the advanced settings, there is collision sensing, which can be toggled on or off. And in the parking mode section, you've got parking monitoring collision detection and the duration for the parking monitoring. Both are fully adjustable. And finally, the general settings are straightforward, letting you manage Wi-Fi, firmware, or format the SD card. And now I'm back on the home screen. Here there's a switch button that lets you toggle between the front camera and the back camera. I don't have a back camera, so it doesn't do anything in my setup. There's also a microphone button which lets you turn the audio recording on or off directly from the app. The dashcam will also automatically connect and start recording every time you get in the car, so it's ready to capture footage without any extra steps.
Start recording.
And you can take screenshots directly from the live feed, which are saved automatically to the camera files. There we go. Super easy DIY for you guys. The camera took about 5 minutes to install and another 5 minutes to get the app going, so about 10 minutes in total. This dashcam is from Mangoal, and if anyone is interested in one of those, I will also be putting the link in the description below. I will also be doing a video on the rear camera later on. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.